You want to start your affiliate marketing business but you are just a beginner and don't know how to do it. In this video I talk about how to actually start an affiliate marketing business. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone, improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. How much different would your life look if you made $100 every single day from affiliate marketing? Which means, you wouldn't have to deal with customer service, you wouldn't have to deal with actually fulfilling whatever you're selling people. And best of all, you don't even have to be selling your own product. By the end of this video, you're gonna have the exact step-by-step blueprint on how you can get started with affiliate marketing. Step number 1. You need to get rid of all prior knowledge that you have. There's so much bad knowledge out there and the guaranteed best way to fail with affiliate marketing is by starting with your affiliate marketing author. There are so many individuals doing this and it is by far the worst thing that you could do. You start with something and say, hey, I want to sell this, and then you try to sell it to people and you wonder why you don't get views on your videos. Why nobody comes to your blogs. Why nobody's ultimately buying your product is because you didn't actually build trust, you didn't actually build an audience, and the worst thing that you could possibly do is try to sell something to somebody and you have no idea who they are and they have no idea who you are. That is why the real step number 1 to getting started with affiliate marketing is determining what kind of audience you're going to be going after. And you need to be thinking about who are they, what kind of problems do they have and where do they hang out. And then you need to begin creating content on whatever platform they're on. Now this could be Twitter, this could be Reddit, this could be you going door to door, it doesn't matter what it is. But you need to understand where they actually are and then you need to have a clear way to be able to reach them and then you need to begin creating content. You need to begin creating value and ultimately you need to barge yourself into the conversation that these people are having online. Because if you want to get paid through affiliate marketing, the best way to be able to do it is to actually build up an audience. Build trust and then you're able to sell to that audience. Now when it comes to actually building your audience, all you have to do is identify who you're going to be going after. And then you need to identify where those people hang out. Once you have where they hang out, you need to begin creating content there. You need to begin responding to comments there. You need to begin interacting with people there. And you need to understand something, this isn't going to happen in a day, it's not going to happen in 2 days, it's going to take you at least 90 days to be able to build up that initial audience, so that you can then sell something. But trust me, it is way easier to build an audience, sell something, make a recurring revenue on that, than to never get started. And I guess, that's a situation that a lot of you guys are in right now. You keep saying, oh, I have this product, I'm gonna go sell it, but you have 0 followers. And that is why nobody is actually buying your product. And if you begin creating content with the mindset of, this is the thing that I'm going to sell these people, well then that's one of the reason that you're going to be unsuccessful. So the first thing you need to make sure that you're doing is building up that audience. A little hint for you, if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on watch later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. The second thing you need to make sure that you do is, you need to figure out what kind of products these people already use. Are they already using certain softwares? Are they already using certain services? And then you need to find out whether or not those services of those softwares have an affiliate offer. Because the best thing you want to do is make money on autopilot. The only way that you make money on autopilot is if people sign up for something and they're happy with it. Because if people sign up and they do a refund or they do a chargeback, well then guess what? You're not going to get your affiliate commission. That's why affiliate commissions are paid out on average on a 30 to 60 day basis. The reason being is because whoever is collecting the money wants to make sure that nobody's going to refund, nobody's going to recharge back, nobody's going to do anything crazy like that. Which is exactly why you need to make sure that you're actually selling people something that they want. Something that they're going to use, something they're going to provide value from, which is why I strongly recommend that you pull that audience and find out what things they're already using. For example, if you was to do something like this, you should do it with the help of a website like vidIQ. Whatever audience you should be going after, you should actually be somebody that is within that audience. If it's finance, if it's fashion, if it's fitness, it doesn't matter what it is, but you need to actually be somebody within that audience, so you can determine what kind of tools this audience uses, so that you can go and get affiliate deals to be able to promote those things. Because ultimately, that's what's going to make you a successful affiliate marketer. There are so many people out there, claiming to make 6 figures, claim to make 7 figures, and you have no idea who they are. So you are probably going to guess that they don't actually make that much money, because they don't have a huge audience. So who on earth are they possibly selling this stuff to? And now I don't want you to get confused and think that you need a large audience like 1 million subscribers in order to actually make money with affiliate marketing. That's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is, you actually need a captive audience and you need people to trust you. And without getting views somewhere or following somewhere, I just highly doubt that somebody has actually built up an affiliate marketing business. So unless you see somebody with that kind of criteria, they're probably not actually making money from affiliate marketing. And you won't make money from affiliate marketing either, if you don't actually have an audience like that, which is why I beg you, you need to implement this last tip. That being said, one other mistake that I want to make sure that you avoid is just selling to your audience. You need to first capture your audience's first-party information. This could be their phone number or this could be their email. You need to have either of those two things, so that you can do a few things. 1. You can actually own the relationship with that customer, because if all you're doing is promoting somebody else's product, guess what? You're not getting that first-party information. And if you don't have that first-party information, it's not your customer. Instead, this company it's just leveraging you to go create content for them, to get them customers, and then they can sell more things to that customer. Well, you want to be able to do that same exact thing, which is why you need their phone number, which is why you need their email, so that you can continue to sell things to people. Because that's how you really make money. If you have 3 affiliate offers that you work with, and instead of just getting people to sign up for 1, you can get them to sign up for 3. Well then guess what? You're going to make triple the amount of money, you're going to help triple the amount of people, and ultimately, you're gonna make way more money and have way more success with affiliate marketing. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get, and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop, and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods, and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.